Perimeter and circumference. What is perimeter? Perimeter was first found in 1590 from the Latin and Greek word perimetros. Peri meaning around, and metron meaning measure. Perimeter refers to the total distance around a shape. It is the length of the outline or boundary of any shape that is two-dimensional. Examples of such shapes would be squares, rectangles, and triangles, among many more. Distance is measured in units such as millimeters, centimeters, decimeters, meters, decameters, hectometer, and finally kilometer. How do we find perimeter? We find perimeter by adding the lengths of the sides of a shape. For irregular shapes, we can use a string to measure the length of the shape and then add them to find the perimeter. Different shapes have a different formula for calculating the perimeter. Here are a few examples. Triangle. Perimeter equals A plus B plus C. Square. Perimeter equals 4 times A, where A equals length of a side. Rectangle. Perimeter equals 2 times A plus B. Quadrilateral. Perimeter equals A plus B plus C plus D. What is circumference? Circumference is the distance around a circle. It is the perimeter of a circle. Circumfere is the Latin for to lead around or carry around. In the Greek, periphereia is the line around a circular object. Archimedes approximated the perimeter of a circle with sum of sides of polygons of large number of sides. To find the perimeter of a circle, we use the formula perimeter equals pi d, where pi equals 22/7, or pi equals 3.14, d equals diameter of the circle. Thank you for joining us on our lesson today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and download our app from Google Play. Until next time, goodbye.